to make a mouse. Woo! To make that mouse, you need some fun. You need some engineers, whoa, to get it done. You need to have a really good factory with really good machines to make it through, you see. What's your processes for your assembly and your quality control? Whoa, now you give me that, please. Wow, yeah, ho. It's FragWatch here. Today we're going to be giving away the award for Best New Manufacturing Processes, assembly. Anyways, check it out. Now here are the runners-up. Here's the runner-up. Here's the two that I'm deciding between. Hold on, let me get all these out of the way. Let's put all these up there so the thumbnail grabs it. Get a thumbnail and people are like, oh, which one will it be? Whatever. I could have the X2 up here too. The X2 Crazy Light would be part of this as well. Okay. So the two that it goes between would be the WL Mouse Ying and the Pulsar Crazy Light series. And that goes for the newer batches of X2s plus the so beyond the first batch of X2s of Crazy Lights, all the X2s beyond that. And they know why, and I know why. I tested these. I tested these in a way that lets me know. I'm trying to find the wording here for the Pulsar mice. I tested these to make sure that it was a new technique or material that created this and is actually an innovation and not just a thinner shell. And it is a thinner shell, but just an incredible amount of effort went into creating the Pulsar Crazy Lights, the material sciences, and that's another award, but and material sciences and the assembly processes that went into manufacturing this are impressive. Industry changing. The engineers that designed this and the fucking clones are going to copycat it. No doubt about that. They're going to try to. I can tell you what they did with the material on this is insane. And I could not verify, but my testing shows that, wow, that, I should apply for jobs at SpaceX. That shit's incredible. Really well done. But this is going to be my runner-up for Best New Assembly or Manufacturing Process. The award for that for this year goes to the WL Mouse Ying. The fact that they were able to even get enough of these to sell is incredible. This is carbon fiber, and the way that they pressed this and got the yield numbers that they got, especially on batch 2, like very impressive. This had 2 runs. There was batch 1, batch 2. I missed out on batch 1, so this is batch 2. And it's very impressive to shape form carbon fiber like this in this smooth of a fashion, this rigid of a fashion. It is it's wow. It's very impressive, and you guys should be very proud of yourselves, both for helping develop and finding a manufacturer to do that for you. That's very impressive and good work. I understand why this probably won't have very many more batches, if at all. It's just very difficult to do. The fact you're able to even pull it off is remarkable at the price point too. But yeah, you could charge $500 and make your money's worth. Your margin on this couldn't have been much, and it's commendable, it's respectable, and you're moving the industry forward, and we thank you for that. WL Mouse, you get the Best New Manufacturing Process of the year. The runner-up is definitely the Pulsar Crazy Light series. Just absolutely impressive with how they do that as well. I want to say a lot more about that, but I can't and I won't. So congratulations, E2. This is awesome stuff. Keep being the tip of the spear. Tip of the spear gets us all through. Oh, congrats, you're the tip of the spear. You're the spear, the tip of the spear. Best of 2025. Best manufacturing process. Whoa, let's keep these minds alive. Wow, yeah, wow. All right, guys, take it easy. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you.